Taita Taveta County, Kenya, communities are adopting creative, non-lethal methods to live alongside elephants. For decades, herds straying from Tsavo National Park have trampled crops and sparked tensions, sometimes with fatal results. Now, farmers like Gertrude Jakim are planting sesame, a crop elephants avoid, reducing the temptation for them to raid fields. Others, such as Richard Shika, use beehive fences, rows of hives linked by wires so that any disturbance prompts bees to emerge, gently persuading elephants to move on.